Hey, so wait, what do I say? Hey guys, we're here in Arizona snorkeling in this river. I can't remember what it's called.
Salt River.
Salt River, and we're just salt rivering and
Snorkeling, maybe?
yeah, that's a good idea. So we were just snorkeling. We just found some junk. For instance, we found this iPhone, and we're gonna get to that in a minute. Come on. So we're just cleaning up the river, finding some junk and crap. We got sunglasses, we got beer, we got music, we got amazing knives. Look at that. And yeah, probably close that. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna call the number on the iPhone and see if we can get a hold of the owner. See if it.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Your call cannot be completed as done.
Nope.
Please check the.
Nope.
We'll keep trying to find the
Alright.
owner.
Yeah, we'll have to keep looking for the number on the phone, so.
But it looks like.
Just keep it paused. Alright, so we found another number
That's her
on.
mom?
So we found another number on the phone. We're gonna see if it checks out.
I'm sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet.
Text it.
We're gonna have to text it then.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a new Mac. What is that number listed as?
Sugar. Jose.
Yeah, Jose.
Jose, my bad.
Hello,
Hey, is this Jose?
this is Jose.
Jose, my name's Adam. I'm down here at the Salt River with my son. We're snorkeling and found a cell phone that belongs to Trisha.
Oh my God, no way. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And all the phone numbers that we could find in it to see if we can find her.
Yeah.
Amazing, awesome. Are you guys here in Phoenix?
Yeah, we are. We're stuck. Okay, awesome. Damn, you guys are amazing. Okay.
We did it, buddy.
Nice.
Good job, bud.
All right, so now
This is wrong. Terribly wrong.
Man, my ideas aren't working.
Alright.
Okay.
Another good thing is that we take inspiration from this YouTuber called Jake. He's another guy that just cleans up rivers and putting crap away. Yeah. Subscribe. It's always been fun exploring and like finding stuff at the bottom of the river and all that. Once I get a camera, I'll be sure to like show you guys so that you can see the excitement for yourselves. Let's we're at a red light now, so like being able to like find stuff at the bottom of the river is cool. I'll be sure to get a camera once I get enough subscribers so that I can show you guys. And then let's see. Oh yeah, also finding phones is really exciting. Like it's awesome. But this is my first one, so. But also with the phone being able to like actually function makes it even more exciting because then you get to give it back to the owner. Pulling into Target. Let's find these guys. Right. Check it out. We got front row parking and let's redo that. Alright, we're here. Just getting ready for him to show up so we can give him his phone.
That's amazing. We lost it 2 days ago. We went back there. We were looking for like 20 minutes.
We're looking hard, but finally we just gave up. We thought we're never gonna see that phone again. But we really appreciate you guys. Thanks, man. I appreciate you guys. Thanks. Hey, you guys have a good day.
You too.
I'll subscribe to your channel. You guys have a good day, okay?
You too.
Appreciate it. Thanks, man.